Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. Now here in the Caribbean, we face two major problems when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. Number one, we do not have that many on-ramps to crypto. By on-ramp, I mean places where you can actually go and purchase cryptocurrencies using maybe your bank card or your Visa debit card. And if you do find such places, chances are you have to pray and hope that your bank actually allows you to make that purchase. And secondly, but most importantly, we have even fewer off-ramps. Now if you've been in the space for 3 years or more, it is more than likely that your portfolio is in profit. But it is hard for us to realize these profits in our local currency unless we go through the trouble of trying to wire the money back to our bank account, and of course that is going to incur massive amounts of charges. And secondly, we still have to hope that the bank will accept that transfer as well. Now an easier solution would be to have a debit card that is associated with our cryptocurrency that we can easily swipe and be able to withdraw local currency from the ATM. Now there are a few popular services that actually allow you to do this, but like I said before, many of them are not eligible for us here in the Caribbean. However, thankfully a friend of mine would have pointed me to this particular website called GSPartners, where he said he was able to actually get a MasterCard tied to his cryptocurrency where you can actually swipe at any local ATM and receive money. So this particular video, I'm going to show you guys the process for actually signing up for one of these cards. I will also put my proper affiliate link in the description below. And once you sign up and complete the KYC, you should get a notification to let you know that it went through successfully. Now where you want to go on this actual platform is over here on the left, the GSLifestyle tab, and you want to click GSLifestyle cards. Now for these cards, we're going to check the countries that are available. You can see the wide range of countries available, and because I live in Barbados, I was happy to see that. You can check this list to see if your country is on the list. Now let's head back over to the cards tab. Now here you see a big order button, but let's learn a bit more about the cards before we make our order. You have a starter pack, you have a basic plastic card, and you have an aluminum card. Now if you're a member of the platform, you can get certain discounts on these cards. However, if you want the more premium cards, you have the stainless steel, you have the gold plated, and you even have a solid gold card. One thing you should know is that each of these cards comes with a monthly membership fee. The basic is $20, and from the aluminum and up it is $35. Now for the aluminum card, you get to use more currency such as USD, Great British Pound, Euro, Yen, and Japanese Yuan. But the best things about these cards would be the high limits that you can load these cards. As you can see with the basic card, you can even load as much as $500,000 onto the card. And last but not least, you actually have a 24/7 concierge service associated with your card. Now let's go back to order our card. Now for this card, I'm going to choose the basic card. Order and subscribe now, and you'll be asked which cryptocurrency you want to pay for the card in, either Ethereum or Bitcoin. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin and click confirm, and as you can see, there's a certain amount of Bitcoin that I must deposit in order to get this card. And therefore if I click OK, I should get an error because I haven't deposited any funds to the platform as yet. So once I go back to the dashboard, you realize that my balance is 0. I head over to the financial tab and click deposit. Now over here you will see my Bitcoin wallet address, and this is what I'm going to use to send Bitcoin to the platform. Let's check their fees to see what they incur. To deposit Bitcoin, there is a small fee of 0.00025 BTC, and this platform also have a withdrawal fee. So bear these things in mind when you are using this platform. Now going back, I'm going to copy the address and I'm going to head over to Binance, where I will paste the address in and send myself the required amount of Bitcoin. Actually, I'm going to send a bit more because of the fee that will incur, as well as a network fee for transferring from Binance. So I'm going to speed past this two-factor authentication part, and I'm going to head back over to the website so you can see the transaction taking place. So here at the bottom you can see the transaction is pending, and it should take a little while to complete. Now that it's complete, you can see the amount that I have on the account, including the fee that was taken out. Now I'm going to head back over to the dashboard, and you should be able to see the balance that I have into my account, and that is enough to order the card. Let's go back over to the lifestyle tab, click the card. Let's go through the entire process once more. I go down to order now, order and subscribe, choose Bitcoin, confirm, and this time when I click OK, I should be greeted with a successful subscribe notification. Now you must click register now. Now this registration is a different registration to the one in which you signed up for the platform. This one is for the card itself, and some of the information they do pre-populate already for you, but once you click register now, this is the information that is going to be used to send the card to you. So please make sure the information is accurate. So once everything has been successful, you head back over to the GLifestyle tab, you click login with GLifestyle, and you'll be taken to a separate and distinct website which governs specifically the account for your card. You log in with the credentials that you would have submitted, and once you click login, you will be greeted with the dashboard. But before you can actually proceed, you must get past your email verification. Once you check your email, you type the verification code in the box provided and you click confirm. After the email verification, you have phone verification, where you must type in your correct phone number. Verification message will be text to your device. Once it has been done, you click confirm, and you must enter that code into the box provided, and once again click confirm. Now after that, it is prompting you to set up two-factor authentication on your device. If you have the Google Authenticator app or any authenticator app, it should work here. Once you type in the code, you click check, and that verifies that your 2FA has been set up successfully. Once you click OK, you'll be taken now to a next page where you must complete the KYC necessary for having this kind of account. Now you must select the proper region. In this case I'm Barbados, and you have a choice of what ID you would like to use to complete the KYC. I think it's best to use the passport. You can either take a picture on your computer or you can use your mobile device. I will use my mobile phone to complete the KYC process. Now to do that, you have to type in your email address and they will send you a link, or you can scan the QR code in front of you and a link should appear on your phone. Once you click it, you'll be asked to continue the process, which involves taking a picture of your passport, also holding the passport to your face and taking a picture of you holding the passport. It didn't take too long, and it's pretty much what you are familiar with if you ever use any cryptocurrency exchange before. So once that is done, it is going to take some time for the verification process to be completed. You will receive an email and you will also receive confirmation on the platform. So now that everything is completed, this is what the dashboard will look like. Here on the left, you will see a number of tabs, but I'm interested in going to my card. So once I click card, I will see my card appear as you realize the status is inactive at this current moment. So if I click, I can get more information about my card and my account. Now to activate the card, I actually have to go here to the activate tab, and when my card arrives, I'm going to enter the last 4 digits on the back of the card. Now the card did actually come. It only took about 4 days for it to arrive via FedEx, which in my opinion is extremely fast, and this is what the card actually looks like. Now I haven't used the card yet, so I will have to do another follow-up video showing you how the card works, how to load funds on the card, and how to actually withdraw cash from the ATM using the card. But if this video was helpful to you, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Now I will post a future update on this, so please stay tuned, and I thank you all for watching.